In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the drop content blocks here placeholder in Mailchimp. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been using Mailchimp for a while, you might find yourself coming across this feature when working on your campaigns. Sometimes those content blocks can clutter your design or simply aren't needed, and removing them can make your emails look cleaner and more professional. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process to ensure you can confidently remove these blocks and streamline your campaigns. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Mailchimp.com and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your Mailchimp account where all your campaigns, audience data, and tools are housed. If you're having trouble logging in, make sure your email and password are correct, or use the Forgot Password option to reset your login details. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard, the hub for all your campaigns and account settings. Next, from your dashboard, locate the campaign you want to edit. If you already have a campaign in progress, select it to jump straight to the editing screen. On the other hand, if you're creating a new campaign, just click the option to create one, and Mailchimp will guide you to the editor where you can start building your email. Whether you're editing an existing campaign or creating a new one, the process for removing content blocks is the same. Now that you're in the editor, you should see your campaign layout. Look for the section that has the placeholder message, "Drop content blocks here." This phrase is Mailchimp's way of showing you where you can add new elements to your email, like images, text, buttons, or other design components. However, if one of these blocks is unnecessary, it's best to remove it to keep your design clean and focused. To remove a block, hover over the specific content block you want to get rid of. When you hover over it, you'll notice that the block becomes highlighted and you'll see a few options appear. Click on the content block to select it. Once it's selected, you'll see its settings displayed on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the tools to customize, or, in this case, delete the block. On the right-hand side, look for the trash can icon. This is the button used to delete the selected block. When you're ready, go ahead and click the trash can icon. Mailchimp will immediately remove the block from your layout, giving your campaign a more streamlined look. If you're ever unsure about deleting a block, don't worry. Mailchimp often prompts you to confirm the deletion. This is a handy feature that helps prevent accidental changes. If you're confident in your choice, confirm the deletion and proceed. Finally, if you make a mistake or decide you want the block back, you can use the undo option to quickly reverse the deletion. The undo button is typically located at the top of the editor screen and is a lifesaver for any quick changes you might need to revisit. It's always a good idea to double-check your design after making edits to ensure everything looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove the drop content blocks here placeholder in Mailchimp. This simple process can make your email campaigns cleaner and more effective, ensuring your audience gets the best version of your content. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.